Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to open a new window in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so you can open a Google Chrome browser. After opening the Google Chrome browser, you can come over here and see there is a three dots option over here. Click on this option and click on this new window option, and also you can press the Ctrl N option over here to get a new window in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so I will click on new window option. Now you can see you got a new window in Google Chrome browser. Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to open a new incognito window in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so open a Google Chrome browser and you can go to the option three dots option in Google Chrome browser. So click on this option and you can see the option here, new incognito window, and also you can press Ctrl Shift N to get a new incognito window in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so now I will click on new incognito window. Now you can see you got a new incognito window in Google Chrome browser.